What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Yahoo Mail. So first you need to head over to the Yahoo Mail's website by just simply typing mail.yahoo.com. And after that, when you're logged in on the right side, you will see the settings icon. Simply click on that and then click on more settings. After clicking on more settings, here on the left side, you will see the option of mailboxes. Simply click on this mailboxes and then you need to add a mailbox of your another email. If your another email is in Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, Google, you can just choose whatever email you have in any of these softwares. You can just simply enter your email and you need to make sure that you enter a valid email because Yahoo will send a verification code at that particular email. After that, when you have entered, you just simply need to click on next. And after clicking on next here, it will ask you to sign in with that particular email account. Simply choose that account and then sign in. Click on continue. And as you can see, the mailbox has been added. And after that, when the Yahoo Mail verifies it, you can just simply get there a backup of all your Yahoo Mails. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.